Alaikum Assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Now, are you dressed for a marriage? You are going to participate in some marriage or something? So it's a very special day. We are dressed very specially. This is.
Can I translate this?
Yes, yes, yes.
আপনি বুঝতে পেরেছেন?
স্পেশাল কিনা চাই?
আপনি কোনো বিয়ের জন্য প্রস্তুতি নিয়েছেন কিনা? No, not for any marriage.
Achha.
Just normal dress.
Very good. Very good. Shauka's father is lucky. Please.
The question is related with Aqeeqah, Huzur. When male child Aqeeqah.
Aqeeqah.
When a male child is born, then we are instructed by the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam to slaughter 2 goats. But in the case of a female, only 1. So, is there any wisdom behind this discrimination now?
This is not a discrimination. In fact, husband or a wife is required to take care of the full family. And not only his wife, but also children, daughters, sons, etc. So this objection is not valid. He should inherit double. And this is throughout the Islamic law of inheritance understood that male members would inherit double. So the objection could be, why are they not given much more? But because this had to be a law, so there is a possibility that a man can marry a woman who does not bear children. A man can be at fault himself. So the minimum is required, that because he is taking care of his wife, so he should be given double. So this is, exceptions are made to laws, and this is a general law. This is the philosophy I understand. But as far as the objection is concerned, it should be exactly on the other side. But why are not the male members given much more? But I have told you, because it creates exceptions in the general rule. Everybody does not marry someone who has children or through whom he has children. So he is responsible for only one person, most certainly, that is his wife.
So, Huzur, the answer remains a bit unclear to me. That's why I could not.
In what sense? You see, I said that 2 goats are sacrificed when a child is born, and 1 goat when a male boy is born, and 1 goat when a daughter is born.
Yeah.
Now, this indicates the law of inheritance as well. Because in the Islamic law of inheritance, male is given twice as much as girls are given. In short, this is the answer which you can give.
That's what I have said.
So that's enough. The rest is just philosophy. Shaukat Jahan. Wa alaikum assalam.